shortest distance is called displacement. That means here A to B is the very shortest distance. It has only one direction. So here shortest distance is called displacement. Between 2 points, very shortest distance is called displacement. So here shortest distance means displacement. It's denoted very small s. So it has a magnitude. It has a displacement. It has a magnitude and a direction. So here displacement means between the 2 points. Shortest distance between the 2 points is called displacement. It is denoted small s. It has magnitude and direction. So magnitude and direction, this type of quantity is called vector quantities. Vector quantity must be contains direction and magnitude. So this type of quantity is called vector quantities. Here distance means it has so many directions. Let's say this is at this point and this direction, at this point this direction. So this means distance contains so many directions. Distance means between the path between the 2 points. So that is called distance. Distance indicated small letters d. It has magnitude. It has magnitude, no direction. So this type of quantity is called scalar quantities. So scalar quantities means it has magnitude, no direction. So example, distance. So vector quantities means it has magnitude and direction. This type of magnitude is called vector quantities. Example is displacement. Okay. Here, what is the relation between displacement and distance? Here, possibility condition, distance equal to displacement. First condition. And another one, distance is greater than to displacement. Therefore, d is greater than or equal to s. This is the condition for the distance and displacement, or relation between the distance and the displacement. So d is greater than or equal to s. So already explained difference between distance and displacement. Okay. Here I give some pictures. So find the distance and displacement between the point to point. So here A to A point, here ABC triangle, 3 meters, 3 sides 3 meters. Here A to A, from A to A distance is, here distance means sum of all sides, 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 9 meters. Answer is 9. So here distance means total length, sum of 3 sides. So next displacement, A to A, here 0. Reason, here 0. Reason, what is the reason? Starting point to initial point, both are coincide. So there is total point, initial and final points are both are coincide. Therefore, this one is 0. Observe. So here s equals 0. Reason, initial point, final point, both are coincide here. That's why here displacement is 0. Next one, here from ABCD is 10 centimeters, opposite sides 10 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters. What is the A to A distance? Here distance means sum of 4 sides. So 10 plus 18, 36. Here 36 centimeters. Here displacement A to A, initial point and final points. Initial point and final point both are coincide. So there is a 0 centimeters. This is meters, this is centimeters. So here displacement is 0. Here also reason, here final point, initial point and final point both are coincide at A. That's why here S equals 0. Next here it is a right angle triangle PQR triangle, 3 meters 4 centimeters. Here what is the D from P to R? Here P to R, this one. What is the distance? What is the S here? What is the S? Here D is P to R from this side. So P to R, here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 meters. Here displacement it is a shortest distance PR. PR distance equal to the shortest distance. This here this is the use Pythagoras formula here. Use Pythagoras formula here. 3 square plus 4 square, that means 9 plus 16. 16 plus 16 plus 9, 25 root. So use Pythagoras formula here, 5 meters. So here P to R value is 5 meters. Next one. Here circle. A to A shortest final and initial points both are coincide, therefore 0. Here distance means the total length, that means one circumference 2 pi r. 2 pi r means here r equal to 7 meters. That means 2 into 5 means 22 by 7 into 7. R means 7. 7 cancel. Therefore 44 meters. Here 44 meters. Distance is 44 meters. Okay. But S is equal to 0 because final and initial points both are coincide here. Okay. Next one. It is a square. All sides are equal. Here P to P. Initial and final points both are coincide here. Therefore 0 centimeters. Displacement is 0 centimeters. Distance is 4 5 0. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 20 centimeters. So this is the distance. So observe in these pictures displacement and distance. Observe distance and displacement in these pictures. So here as displacement is 0. Reason initial and final points of both are coincide. That type of sums all are displacement 0. That is called. In this case, here observe every condition. Here D is greater than to S. Here also D is greater than S. Here also D is greater than S. Here also D is greater than S. So here also D is greater than S. Here all cases are using the only one case D is greater than S. So in which cases D is equal to S. So here take any point. So A is a point. Here a person start from A to A. So here a person move from A to A. A person move from A to A. What is the D? Here A to A. What is the S and what is the D here? So here A to A, D and S both are 0. Reason it is a point. Here displacement is same and distance is same. So here D equal to S. Only this case is equal to point. In this case point. Here D equal to S. So only this case